Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify order export files for QuickBooks Online, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify order export files for QuickBooks Online, start by locating the order export file on your computer. Open the file with a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Check the file format to ensure it is in CSV or Excel format, which is compatible with QuickBooks Online. Review the headers of the file to make sure they match QuickBooks Online's required fields. Common headers include order number, customer name, address, item description, quantity, and price. If any headers are missing or incorrect, make necessary adjustments in the spreadsheet application. Verify that all data entries are complete and accurate for each order. Pay special attention to numerical fields such as quantities and prices to avoid errors during import. Ensure that the customer names and addresses are spelled correctly to prevent delivery issues. Next, check for any duplicate entries in the order export file. Remove any duplicates to ensure a smooth import process. Once the data is verified, save the file in CSV format if it was edited in Excel. Open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the Import section under the gear icon. Select the appropriate category for the data you are importing, such as customers or sales receipts. Follow the prompts to upload your order export file. During the upload process, QuickBooks Online will provide a mapping option for the headers. Make sure the columns in your file are mapped correctly to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks Online. If necessary, adjust the mappings to ensure accuracy. Once everything is set, proceed with the import. After the import is complete, review the imported data to confirm that all entries were processed correctly. Check for any error messages or warnings that QuickBooks Online may display during the import. If errors are present, refer back to your original export file to make corrections and re-import as needed. Finally, run a report in QuickBooks Online to verify that the data reflects accurately in your financial records. This ensures that your order export files are successfully verified and integrated into QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.